Alright viewers, let's begin with some breaking news that's coming in connection with the Kolkata rape and murder horror. The back and forth between the West Bengal government and the doctors continues. There's no forward movement as far as the Chief Minister and the doctors meet is concerned. The standoff is over the doctors' delegation strength. West Bengal government has restricted the strength of this delegation to 15 doctors. West Bengal Chief Secretary has called for a meeting at 5 p.m. The doctors, on the other hand, are demanding a 30-member delegation for this very key meeting, while the government says that this delegation should only consist of 15 doctors. My colleague Adrija joins us on the broadcast to get us more details on this. Adrija, there is of course a standoff as far as this key meeting is concerned between the West Bengal government and the doctors. Give us more details about the issues that stand right now before the meeting.
You see, the doctors here are continuing their protest, and today is the third day of the sit-down demonstration right in front of the health department. And you can see also behind me, the protests continue as finally, today a meeting has been confirmed with the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee at around 4:45 in the evening, where of course the demands of the doctor will be discussed with the Chief Minister. Also, the Chief Minister have said that a 15-member delegation team is allowed inside the State Secretariat, where what the doctors earlier demanded, that the entire meeting have to be live streamed. That has also been not accepted by the State Secretariat, and they have received an email from Chief Secretary of the CM mentioning that 15-member delegation will be allowed for a discussion inside Navbanur today, and they will be going to meet and discuss their demands. The demands where they demand resignation of the Principal Secretary of the Health Department, along with others and several other steps as required. So, of course, this discussion will go on. We are yet to see what happens to be the final result and whether or not finally the doctors will return back to work. All those are yet to see. But yes, there's a ray of hope, because now finally the meeting has been fixed between the doctors, the protesting doctors, and the Chief Minister.
On the broadcast there, the doctors of course continue to protest, even as the West Bengal government is now trying to speak to them, and also there is an issue as far as the strength of the delegation is also concerned. We'll of course see what happens at 5 p.m, whether this meeting actually happens or not. In fact, viewers, let's now shift